This is before the blue top steering gear. I'll go straight down the road. I can just sit here and just do this. And literally not move at all in the lane. I mean, it's real sloppy. So, might be hard to believe, but it has been a year since I installed the blue top steering gear in this truck, and I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. I mean, if I do this, like, we're going back and forth. See the line on the hood? Like, the steering is very tight. I'm very impressed. I will say, when I got it, it got loose after like 2 weeks, and I emailed Blue Top guys, and I was like, yo, what the heck? Like, this is supposed to be like a built steering gear, right? And I was like, I'm kind of unimpressed. Like, what's the deal? And they said, oh, well, you have a lifted truck, big tires, drop pitman arm. They said you need to adjust the tension spring screw, whatever in it. They said screw it down. They told me how far to put it. They explained that, you know, my scenario requires a lot more tension on that because of the lift, tires, and drop pitman arm, whereas a stock truck would certainly not need that. So they said, you know, we don't know exactly what your setup is, so we just kind of set it to what stock should be, and then you can adjust it from there. So I did that, and it's been, well, a year minus 2 weeks, and the steering is still very tight. I have no troubles on the highway. It's much more safe and comfortable to drive. And when I'm towing trailers and stuff, there's no white knuckling it because I'm doing this, and you know, it's much better. So overall, I'd put it in another truck if I ever have the opportunity. I've been very impressed with the customer service. They got back to me very quickly, and the product has been amazing.